In this video, we want to simplify this. Here we have 43 factorial, which can be written as 43 times 42 times 41 times up to times 2 times 1. Here, the denominator, we have our 41 factorial. I'm going to leave it this way because it is the minimum value we have. Plus 42 factorial can be written as 42 times 41 times ... times 2 times 1. Now, based on what we have here, we can write this as 43 times 42 times, from here down here is the same thing as 41 factorial. Now, dividing this, we have our 41 factorial plus, here we have 42 times, from here down here is the same thing as 41 factorial. Now, from this, solving this further, we can see that 41 factorial is common here, 41 factorial is common here, and also 41 factorial is common here. So we can factor it out. So for the numerator here, I'm going to have 41 factorial. And in my parentheses, I have my 43 times 42. So below here, 41 factorial is common. So I'm going to factor 41 factorial out. And here I'm going to have 1 plus, here I'm going to have 42. Now, to simplify this further, here 41 factorial can easily cancel out 41 factorial. So here I have 43 times 42. And if you look at this denominator here, 1 plus 42 is the same thing as 43. So to make it more simplified, 43 cancel out 43. So from here, finally we have 42 as our final answer. If you enjoyed this video, you can follow me for more videos. I have a lot of videos on my channel. Like and comment an alternative way we can do this. See you next time. Bye.